Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can forge weapons or armors in the Forge. So you're going to just go here, and I'm going to press E, and if you want to forge an armor, select this one. If you want a weapon, select this one. I'm going to go for a weapon for this one. I'm going to forge a weapon, I mean. So select the ores you want to use. I'll just use an iron, 2 irons, and then 2 stones, 2 tins, 2 coppers, and 2... Okay, that's it, actually. Why did I say 2 sandstones? Okay, then you're going to select forge. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Then you're just going to kind of move this up and down with your mouse, like, really quickly. Like this. Like that, okay. And then this one's a little bit like fishing, so you kind of want to keep that like white like line where the yellow area is. So kind of just like tap on it. Okay, now you're just going to tap on this a little. Okay, now this you kind of have to move it like that. Like put the circle where the line is. Like that. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but I cannot explain that for real, so I'm sorry about that. And there you go, that's your weapon completed. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.